Good afternoon students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Open Public School. So we have started new chapter addition and subtraction, and one exercise already we have completed, that is self practice 3A, and we have started self practice 2B also. So today we are continue with the same. So take out your notebook and just continue writing. No need to take new page, but you have to write today's date. On which page you are doing today's work, on that page you write today's date. Okay, and continue writing with me. We have done question number 1 of self practice 3B. Okay, A and B part we have done. Now today we are going to continue with the same. So once again I am writing the self practice 3B, but you don't write. अभी वापस से आपको नहीं लिखना है क्योंकि हम सेम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. So I am only writing so that you will understood what we are doing today. Self practice 3B, that is given on page number 49. Okay, so it's A and B part already we have done. So today we are going to do from C part. So continue writing. Write C. Let me see it is visible or not. Yes. So C is 11 plus 2. So what is the question? I will read the question once again. Question is, use the number strip to add the following. We have to use the number line. We have to use the number strip to add the following. So draw the number line. Use scale for drawing the number line and start writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. I have written numbers from 0 to 14. Now what is the first number? What is the question? 11 plus 2. Question is 11 plus 2. So on which number we are standing? We are standing on first number, that is 11. So make a big dot on 11. So we are standing on number 11. And how many steps you have to move? You have to move 2 steps forward towards the right. So jump 2 steps. 1 and 2. At which number you stop? At number 13. So 11 plus 2 is 13. Copy fast. Copy fast. Now it's D part. D is 10 plus 4. Again we have to draw a number line starting from number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So I have drawn number line and written number on it from 0 to 16. So the question is 10 plus 4. Question is 10 plus 4. That means on which number you are standing? You are standing on number 10. So this is 10. So make a big dot on number 10. Now how many steps you have to move? 4 steps. So jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. At which number you stop? You stopped at number 14. So answer of 10 plus 4 is 14. Copy fast. Copy fast. I will give you few minutes. Copy fast. Now I am rubbing question C. Writing here E. So at E, question is 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. So draw a number line is equals to. Starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have drawn number line and written number from 0 to 16. Now on which number you are standing? You are standing at number 7. Question is 7 plus 8. That means we are standing on number 7. So make a big dot on 7. Now how many steps you have to move? 8 steps. So jump 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. At which number you stop? Stop at number 15. So 7 plus 8 is 15. Write 15. Write 15. Copy fast. Now, next question F. So I am rubbing D part. F. And question is 15 plus 3. Now draw a number line. Starting from 0. Write number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now at which, so first see what is the question. 15 plus 3. So you are standing on number 50. You are standing on number 15. Now how many steps you have to jump? 3 steps. So jump 3 steps towards right. 1, 2, 3. At which number you stop? Stop at number 18. So write 1, 8, 18. Now its G and H part will be homework for you. Okay. Homework is G and H. G and H part will be homework for you. Note down fast. Now copy correct from the board, make number line, number strip straight and use scale to drawing the line. Okay. Now the next question, I hope all of you have done. Those who have not completed, pause video and complete your work. Okay, so now I am rubbing the board. Now the next question is, again you have to using a number strip to add the following question, but now we are not using number strip. For solving second question we will add as usual using our fingers. So write question in this way. Question number 2, add the following. No need to write add using number strip. Okay, add the following. One question already we have done, adding numbers using number strip. Now this question we will do as usual using our fingers. So first I am writing question, so you also first copy question. 9 plus 7, B. 16 plus 2, C. 13 plus 2, D. 8 plus 8, E. 9 plus 5, 12, F. 12 plus 7, G. 15 plus 3 and H is 10 plus 8. Okay, so you also first copy all the questions. Okay, let's start solving. Now see the first question, 9 plus 7. Now 9 plus 7 is, both the numbers are bigger numbers and we have only 10 fingers. I mean हमारे पास कितनी fingers है, सिर्फ 10 है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं है. So now see how do we add. So 9 plus 10, 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. So what is the second number? 7. So take out 7 fingers. जो second वाला number है उतनी fingers हम निकालेंगे. So here second number is 7. So 5, 6 and 7. I have taken 7 fingers. आप भी निकालेंगे अपने hand में 7 fingers. Now see, we have to count after 9. जो ऊपर वाला number है उसके आगे से हमें forward counting स्टार्ट करनी है. और कब तक करेंगे, जितनी हमने फिंगर्स निकाली है उतनी फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग हम अपने फिंगर्स पे काउंट करेंगे. सो 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so 9 plus 7 is 16. So once again I am doing addition using my fingers. So you also, how many number? Which number is this? 7. To take out 7 fingers, 5, 6 and 7. Now count forward after 9. 9 के बाद हमें forward counting करनी है. Counting these fingers. Sorry. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 9 plus 7 is 16. So write here 16. Right here 16. Now see this. So first we will add digit at ones place. So here ones place digit is 6 plus 2. So 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1 will be as it is. Okay. Again come this question. First add the number digits given at ones place. So ones place digit is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 will be as it is. Come to the next question. Again bigger numbers are there. So 8 plus 8. So the second number is 8. So take out 8 fingers. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now you have to count after 8. 8 के बाद count करेंगे 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So right here 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. Now come to the next question. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 1. Again bigger numbers. So same procedure. What is the second number? Second number is 5. So take out 5 fingers. Okay, now count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So right here 9 plus 5 is 14. Now 2 digit number and 1 digit number. So first add digits at ones place. So ones place digit is 7 plus 2. So 7 plus 2, 5, 6, 7 and 2, 1, 2. So 9. And 1 will be as it is. Come to the next question. Again add the digit at ones place. So digit at ones place is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 1 will be as it is. 1 will be as it is. Now come to the next question. 10 plus 8. So digit at ones place. 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8 is 8 and 1 will be as it is. Copy fast. Copy fast. Those who have not completed, pause video and complete your work. Okay, so now I am rubbing the board. Now we are going to solve quick assessment. That is given on page number 51. Quick assessment. On which page? 51. 3-digit numbers are given. We have to add 3-digit numbers by regrouping, by grouping. Okay. 3-digit numbers making a group. First I will explain you one question. Suppose 3 3 plus 2 plus 4 is there. 3 plus 2 plus 4. So again here is, now see, if I am adding 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 is 5. Now 5 plus 4 is 9. First I am adding these two digits. So 3 plus 2 is 5 and plus 4 will be as it is. Now 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay. If I am writing the same question by interchanging the position of a number. अभी मैं वापस से ये इक्वेशन लिखूंगी. Suppose again I am writing 3 plus 2 plus 4. Okay. Now I am adding first 2 plus 4. पहले हमने क्या किया था, 3 plus 2 किया था और उसका जो आंसर आया था उसमें 4 हमने ऐड किया था. So we will get answer as 9. Now in this question first I am going to add 2 plus 4. अभी मैंने 3 को अकेला छोड़ दिया और 2 और 4 को पहले ऐड किया. So 2 plus 4 is 6 and 3 plus 6 is 9. So both the numbers are same. So in addition, अगर एडिशन में नंबर्स को हम आगे पीछे करके कैसे भी ऐड करते हैं, so answer will be same. Okay. So the same procedure we have to do in quick assessment. Questions given in exercise quick assessment. Okay. So first I am writing the questions. So you also first copy the questions. First write add the following. Add the following. So 3 questions are there. So I am doing 2 questions, 1 and 2, and third question will be homework for you. Clear? So I am writing only question 1 and question 2. So 5, 6 and 4 plus, and in this way one circle is there. Now 5, 6 and 4 plus. Now in this question, and its second question is 3, 8, 4 plus 3, 8, 4 plus. Now see how we will perform this addition as. So the circle is not visible. Again I am writing the same question. Now it is visible. Yes. Now see how we are doing. So first we will add these two numbers. So 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. So this is the 6. So take out 6 fingers and count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So write here 11. पहले इन दोनों को प्लस करेंगे और जो आंसर आएगा उसको यहाँ लिखेंगे. So 11. Now 11 plus 4. So which number is this? 4. So take out 4 fingers. I have taken. Now count after 11. 12, 13, 14, 15. So write here 15. Okay. In the same way we will perform this. So first we will add 6 plus 4. So 6 plus 4. 5 and 6 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Now 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. So take out 5 fingers and count after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So both the numbers are, both the answers are same. Copy fast. Then I will explain the second question. So in this question what you have to do? First you have to add the two numbers on which arrow is there. जिसमें arrow बना हुआ है. पहले आपको वो दो नंबर ऐड करना है और उसका आंसर आपको सर्कल में लिखना है. एंड आफ्टर दैट द रिमेनिंग नंबर, जो थर्ड नंबर बचा हुआ है और जो आंसर आपका आपने सर्कल में लिखा है, उन दोनों को ऐड करना है. क्लियर? नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इट्स सेकेंड पार्ट. सो 3 plus 8 plus 4. 3 plus 8 plus 4. So first add 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. So take out 3 fingers and count after 8. 9, 10, 11. So write here 11. Now 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4. 3 plus 8 plus 4. Okay. Now 11 plus 4. So take out 4 fingers and count after 11. 12, 13, 14, 15. Again 15. Now come to the next question. So first add 8 plus 4. So take out 4 fingers and count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. So right here 12. Now 12 plus 3. So take out 3 fingers and count after 12. 12, 13, 14 and 15. So in this way both the answers are same. Here also both the answers are same. Okay. So in the same way you have to do its third part. Third part will be homework for you. Okay. And we will stop here and we will do the next exercise, self practice 3C in our next lecture. So do your homework. Have a good day. Bye students.